Today we're trying out the Ambiano Design Ceramic Heater. We picked this up from the Aldi store and paid $14.99. So this looks a neat size, runs at up to 1200 watts, has 2 speed settings, overheat protection, and the cable is a decent length at 130 centimetres. It is compact, easy to carry and has a modern design. Has a basic on-off switch, has a high and a low setting, an integrated tilt as well as the overheat protection, and it has an adjustable thermostat. And this does come with a 3-year warranty. It does have the size markings on there, standing at around 20 centimetres tall and about 13 centimetres wide. So let's get this out of the box and see what we're looking at. So this comes with the user manual. This is a fold out leaflet with the parts, cleaning and the maintenance guide, and it tells you how to operate the heater. There's also a troubleshooting guide on there. So the heater looks pretty smart in this green with a gold trim. It's got the decent length power cable at the back. There's an LED indicator just on top, and on the bottom it stands on a safety switch, so if it gets tipped over, that switch will automatically turn it off and stop it running. Just on the back is where the power lead goes in. That's not detachable. You've got the power on-off switch with level 1 and level 2. And then you've got the temperature control dial, goes from off, then through from low, all the way up to high. So we'll get this plugged in and have a little play around with it. I will plug it into the energy consumption meter so we can see how much energy it's using. While it's running, I'll check the noise level using my sound level meter, and we'll see how loud it is. And I'll also just check the temperature coming out of the front to see how warm it feels to sit in front of it. And let's see how it goes. So I've plugged that heater in our little guest room. We're going to run it in here with the door shut and no other heating on. This room's about 2.5 by 3 meters, and it's at the minute about 13 degrees. So let's get that running and we'll see how well it works. So that's been running for about an hour. The room feels noticeably warmer when I've walked in. We're up to 16.5 degrees. And if we take a look at the energy consumption meter, we've used 1.1 kilowatt hours, and that's cost just over 24 pence altogether. So there we have it. That's the Ambiano Design Ceramic Heater. Nice and simple to use, looks pretty stylish. I like the size of this. Certainly going to be a great addition for us because we're often just working in a small room and we don't want to heat the entire house, and it feels nice and toasty to sit in front of. And I think for the price, good value for money. The only thing that I would change on it is I would have the controls a little bit more easy to reach, so maybe on the top or on the side rather than at the back. And we're going to add this to our Aldi finds and special buys playlist, and hopefully someone's found that useful. Thanks for watching.